I come to you from Gaya in Bihar. About six parliamentary constituencies in Bihar went to the polls today. It was an election that did not have a good start. Two CRPF personnel lost their lives early in the morning in Jamui. After that, though, there was a lot of polling in many areas. The urban areas saw more polling. The interior Naxalite areas, the polling there was less. Let's just take a look at the story about how polling panned out in these six parliamentary constituencies in Bihar. Just as polling started in 10 Naxal-affected Lok Sabha seats across Bihar and Jharkhand, Naxals triggered an explosive in Bihar's Jamui district. They targeted the CRPF jawans who were on their way to a polling station. Two jawans were instantly killed. Four others are battling for their lives.
1.25 लाख बाबा से और खड़गपुर के बीच में जंगल में मेन रोड के ऊपर हुआ है.
Despite the heavy security blanket over these volatile areas, violence, or rather several attempts at it, aimed to interrupt the electoral process. In Gaya, this 25-kilo bomb was discovered beneath a bridge and defused. In Aurangabad, 3 bombs were recovered very close to a polling station and defused. Incidentally, this place is about 10 kilometers away from a location where 2 days ago, 3 CRPF men lost their lives as they attempted to defuse a bomb that they had recovered while patrolling. At the moment, like I said, a tense situation over here, polling being held in the shadow of Naxalism. In other parts though, like Sasaram, voting was brisk. The recurring theme in the family bastion of Lok Sabha Speaker Meera Kumar was development. Kabir Mia, who has been a voter for 40 years now, voiced his reason for voting.
In
the run-up to the election, this high-profile constituency witnessed a high-voltage campaign. Beat Meera Kumar, who is eyeing a hat-trick on a Congress ticket, or her opponent, former bureaucrat KP Ramaiah of the Janata Dal United.
I'm not nervous, and campaigning is something one cannot take for granted. One has to work hard for campaigning, reach out to the voters, and it is an exercise in winning their trust or retaining their trust.
Your politics is difficult.
Why do you say that, sir?
So because politics you have to deal with so many people. In administration you have got the total support of the system.
But beyond the political rhetoric, for some, like this first-time voter, the world's largest election was simply a matter of pride. आपका पहला इलेक्शन में सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा क्या है आपका?
हमारा सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा ये है कि हम लोग का वोटर लिस्ट में पहली बार नाम आया है. हम लोग दिल चाल कर वोट देने के लिए.
तो बस यही खुश हैं कि वोटर लिस्ट में नाम आ गया और यहाँ वोट दे देंगे.
जी सर.
From the Sasaram, Aurangabad and Gaya Lok Sabha constituencies of Bihar, with camera person Habib Ali, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV. There was also a bit of violence in one polling booth near Belaganj in Gaya. Now, the locals who were voting there allege that the election commission officials and the police officials who were posted at that booth were asking them to vote in favor of one particular party. The election commission, in its justification, says that the long lines there made the voters very impatient. They wanted to vote first. But these pictures that you see on air are very dramatic. There was a clash for 15-20 minutes between these people and the cops. The cops had to fire in the air. EVMs were broken here. Polling was suspended. We don't know if a repoll has been ordered as yet, but we do believe that a repoll will be ordered. So these pictures that you see on your screen are really of that clash. But I think the most important bit of today's segment, at least from Gaya, is speaking to a lot of these people, the people who actually voted. So what is your name?
My name is Madan Kumar Tiwari.
I just want to know one question from you. You must be voting for many years now. Today when you went out to vote, what was the biggest issue on your mind?
The biggest issue was to shape the liberal character of the nation.
All right, that was your biggest issue.
That is at stake. Okay. Virtually, the propagated issue is the development. Right. But the real issue, on that line, the nation have been divided, is the communal issue, undoubtedly.
So that was the issue topmost on your mind, sir?
Yes, topmost my mind was to shape the liberal character of the India, liberal character of the nation.
आपका क्या नाम है सर?
राजेश बली.
राजेश जी, आप भी यही बताइए, आप कितने सालों से वोट कर रहे हैं, पहले तो ये बताइए.
जी, मैं करीब 30 साल से वोट कर रहा हूँ.
30 साल से वोट कर रहे हैं. तो अब जब आप यहाँ जाते हैं तो क्या लोकल इश्यूज आपके लिए ज्यादा मैटर करते हैं, जैसे बिजली, सड़क, पानी हुआ, या फिर नेशनल इश्यू जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि कम्युनल कलर या वो एजेंडा, वो ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए?
देखिए, लोकसभा चुनाव में जनरली हर बार लोग चाहते हैं कि केंद्र में एक अच्छी सरकार बने जो पूरे देश में विकास और मतलब विकास दे और भ्रष्टाचार मुक्त शासन दे. निश्चित तौर से इस बार हम लोग वोटिंग करने गए, इसमें ये सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा था कि वर्तमान जो केंद्र में सरकार है वो भ्रष्टाचार और कुशासन का पर्याय बन गई है. इसका परिवर्तन हम लोग चाहते थे, लेकिन जहां पर अभी भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने नरेंद्र मोदी जी को आगे किया है, मेरा अपना ओपिनियन है कि जब राजग गठबंधन 2009 में चुनाव लड़ा था नीतीश जी और भाजपा के साथ, तो उस समय 32 सीटें थी 40 में।
जी जी
20 + 12।
जी जी
और मुझे नहीं लगता है कि इस बार 22 सीटें से ज्यादा बिहार से राजग गठबंधन को आने जा रहा है। तो हमको लगता है ये लहर जो है कहीं थोथी लहर नहीं साबित हो जाए, और गया संसदीय क्षेत्र में जो चुनाव है वो मतलब हमको लगता है तीनों दल, भारतीय जनता पार्टी और राष्ट्रीय जनता दल और जदयू का, तीनों का यहाँ पर बराबरी का मुकाबला है।
थैंक यू। आप अपना नाम बताइए।
विकास रंजन दफ्तुआ।
विकास जी, ये बताइए, आपका नाम तो बड़ा अनूठा है, विकास के नाम पे यहाँ चुनाव लड़ा जा रहा है। आपको लगता है बिहार में पिछले 4-5 साल में कुछ विकास हुआ है या और विकास की जरूरत है?
निश्चित विकास हुआ है और विकास की आवश्यकता है। और ये जो इलेक्शन इस बार हुआ, कांग्रेस के करप्शन के खिलाफ है, कांग्रेस का जो आतंक है, भ्रष्टाचार है, उसके खिलाफ है। और जो गया के पीपल है, जो बिहार के इंडिया के पीपल है, अगेंस्ट कांग्रेस वोटिंग किया है। और गया में जो लड़ाई है, त्रिकोणीय फाइट की लड़ाई है।
Thank you. There you have it. A lot of other people also want to speak, but at the moment we only have time for this much. But the fact is, a lot of people here talking about local versus national issues, and the excitement here is palpable. All these people have gone out to vote.